How to rotate an image in Google Sites. So unfortunately, there's no rotate option in Google Site. But what you can do is to rotate the image before you upload it in your Google Site. So if your image is uploaded in your PC, then open that photo and then rotate the image. Now that the photo has been rotated, you can now upload this in your Google Site. So to do that, just head over to Insert and then select Image. So since the image is in your PC, select Upload. Now select the photo and then click on Open. However, if your photo is uploaded in your Google Drive, what you can do is open Google Drive and then click on the three dots or the ellipsis icon of that photo, highlight Open With, and from here you should see Google Photos. So select Google Photos and from there, rotate the photo to your preference. Now once you have rotated that photo, go back to Google Site and then select Image. But instead of selecting Upload, you will be choosing Select. Now since your photo is uploaded in Google Drive, you should select Google Drive. Now click on the photo and then click Insert. And so that is how you rotate an image in Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.